Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a...
I don't know. You would tell the first the wrong thing, yeah?
We have paella. Paella. This is a 15-minute paella. Now I know you're probably saying, how in the world did it take 15 minutes when paella takes like 45 minutes? But I have a trick. If you want to see how I prepare this, I do have a separate video. You can go ahead and check that out and then come back to this video or watch this video and go check it out. Doesn't matter as long as you watch both videos. I still can't wait. So in this paella, we have mussels and shrimp.
What name?
Paella.
Paella. See? I would say the wrong thing.
We have mussels and shrimp. I just have a Lipton half and half, half tea, half lemonade. It's really good. And I have shrimp and mussels. And if you want to know what this secret ingredient is or how I got this, you gotta go watch the video.
Go watch it. You know, first lady.
We are ready to dig in.
First lady start. Okay. I don't want to be biased now. Yeah, don't be biased. Look really good. Look at first lady's side and look at my side. Please be honest. She got more, right?
Ooh, this is good.
So, you know, when she had more, this is what I start off with. Gotta help her.
Help me out, honey.
Yum some paellas.
Paella.
Coming like you in math.
This is really good.
Coming like you in math class. This
Is really good.
Family, when she said she's gonna make this, I thought it was something like in dough, fried up dough and all kind of stuff like that.
Oh, panzerati.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make that too.
This is good. Your side is nice.
My side is nice.
Yeah, your side is nice.
You know, I'm sweet, so.
Yes, I'm taking some of hers because she had more than me.
You can even add sausage in here, lobster. I was going to add some king crab, but I said I'm going to save that for our seafood boil.
Hey, it's nice, man.
It's really good. It's so simple. So simple. You guys, when you see the recipe, you're going to be like, there's no way.
Are you like?
No way.
Oh, people make this a lot?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is my first time you making me eat this though.
Paella? I always wanted to make it, but the process can be a little bit daunting. I mean, if I did it the traditional way, it wouldn't, it's not like it's gonna be like 5 hours. I cut my time by 30 minutes. I mean, I think that's good.
You got a trick.
And I like to keep the mussels in the shell because the presentation is better.
Okay. So question, you have to put the mussels in it or you can't do other topping? It have to be with mussels and shrimp and everything?
But a paella needs seafood. What the?
I'll tell you about
You ate it already?
Yeah, I'll tell you about some people. Soon as I start eating. They just can't wait to put my food good in my mouth. Why not? This is good.
It's really good.
For the first time eating this is real good. So the first time you're making this, let me taste it.
Yeah, this is my first time making it. It's so funny because I thought about this recipe in my dream. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did.
Really? That's why you were twisting and turning like that. I thought something else was going on. See? Now you come tell me. You dream about paellas.
I was like, I don't know why I feel hot.
You hot?
I feel hot. I was real quiet. I was dreaming about it because I said I want to make paella.
Yeah.
And the ingredient that I used, I made my own seafood stock. So I was going to use that seafood stock to make another dish that I love to make.
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you what it is yet until I make it.
All I know, this is delicious.
It's delicious.
First time I had paellas.
So I said, okay, I have some leftover king crab shells and shrimp shells. Like we told you guys, we don't waste nothing. We try our best not to waste anything. Sometimes we have no choice. We have to throw something out if it's spoiled. But we try our best not to waste anything.
Wow.
The shrimp is nice and soft.
Everything is good first day.
Juicy.
Everything is good. Wow. Yeah, I gotta try this paellas. Roger, you good, yo? Yo, you good, yo? When you doing something, man? I don't know how to help. You be getting these and make it like that. You make it thing good.
It came out good.
Yeah.
It came out, and you can taste the pepper now because I put scotch bonnet pepper in there.
I messed it up with Grace. Don't mess with Grace.
I'm probably not hard enough for you, but
It's good.
it has a nice kick to it.
So how y'all doing? Yeah, you gotta make first lady talk first, you know? First lady gotta talk and explain our little stuff, our little masterpiece. First lady always making some good masterpiece. What y'all think? Let me know. I won't tell her.
This is pretty good.
Let me know if she be making masterpiece. Y'all think she be making some masterpiece meals? Let me know. I know. This is good.
And the mussel, the mussel just absorbed all of the sauce.
Everything.
So when you bite into the mussel, you can taste all the flavors.
Everything. I'll come like I want to bite the shell.
You don't have to
I got next drink over here if you want it.
Okay, baby. You don't have to do make your own seafood stock.
Yeah.
They sell perfectly good seafood stocks in the store. But like I said, because I had the shell,
So you made your own.
I made my own.
Oh, so that came in handy then.
Came in handy. If you have a freezer and you're making seafood or something like that, D-shell seafood, or you're making something that you gotta take the shrimp skin off, don't throw it away. Put it in a Ziploc bag and throw it in the freezer.
That's why you saved it. Makes sense now. It makes sense, family.
Oh my God, the mussel is so good.
You like the mussel? That one, yeah?
Mussel look good too.
Mussel look good to one. Wow.
Can you guys believe that this took me 15 minutes? Comment down below if you believe me.
You think they're gonna believe you? You said it's supposed to take 45 minutes?
Takes a while.
Wow. 15 minutes, first lady?
15 minutes.
That's you need to go do a challenge in that. This is delicious, yo.
It's really good. And you can make this in the oven. You do the same exact thing.
I couldn't make this.
Yeah.
You know what? Would I give this an extra kick now?
What?
The sausage.
Yeah. I wish I had sausage. I actually looked in the fridge for sausage, and there was none. And I was like, I'm not going on the road. But some sausage, nice cut up. Oh man.
Same when you put in a seafood boil.
But the sausage, I will cut it up first and fry it.
Fry first, yes. Cause you know we like our things fried first.
You know, I like us to fry. Fry first.
Yeah, we like it fried.
There's a little burntness to it.
Burnt. A little burnt. Yep.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I enjoy any kind of food as long as not pork.
But you know, pork will go good in this too now. So chop up pork.
No chop up pork into my thing.
Alright. I'm just saying, guys, you can put pork in here too.
I enjoy every meal First Lady cook. So what y'all been up to, man?
And put it on your side since you have space.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Okay. No, I'm just saying because you keep on screeching over my side.
No? I screech over your side.
I'm watching you.
You took my side.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all been chilling, you said? Chilling doing what? Watching news. Watching shows.
Okay. Look at the shrimp. All that flavor.
We've been chilling chilling too. Not straight workflow. We've been working. First, they've been working hard.
Man.
First, they're working hard, family. Where's the eyes right now?
No. Why you gotta point that out? They wasn't paying no attention to my eyeballs.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I do.
I took my contacts out. That's why my eyes was red. I wasn't smoking the marijuana.
First, they smoking the marijuana. But yeah, they've been working. You know, regular work and OT work. You know.
Mm-hmm. Doing overtime.
And OT day, you gotta go get it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta pay them bills.
Yep.
Can never hide from the bills, right? Sometimes I don't even like when the mail come.
Sure, you worse. I don't check the mail for about 5 days.
I don't check
know
mail.
it's just you don't check mail anyway.
I don't check mail, period.
I know it's just bills. Bills.
Somebody gotta work.
This is good. But I would put a little bit of water in it. It's kind of sweet, y'all.
That's why I had water in my cup.
Yeah.
To dilute that.
But it's still good though.
This is good too.
100 calories.
This is delicious. First time.
Sugar.
Y'all should go try this.
This is the perfect dish. If you're having a large family.
Yeah.
Man.
Well.
Probably cost $15. You know, you buy a bag of shrimp for $5. Buy mussels for $3 at Walmart. And then you can use the frozen ones too. They taste just as good. Matter of fact, I prefer the frozen ones because you know that they were cooked. Like, it saves you half the work.
The frozen on there?
Yeah, and then the fresh ones, then sometimes when you buy them, by the time you get home, half of them is dead and you waste your money. But when they're frozen, it's just easy. Just thaw it out.
And they have to be alive?
Yeah, they have to be alive.
Like the crabs?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you just throw it together.
Yeah.
15 minutes, guys.
15 minutes. First they put this up. First they that's the record book. That's true. Excuse me. This is good. I'm gonna lie.
I'm telling you, yes, it's true. I thought about it. I know you're saying to yourself, you thought about it in your dream. I thought about it in my dream.
Yep.
I thought about it.
She thought about it in a dream, and I felt it in the dream. This person. I said, yo, what the hell's wrong with you? Moved up and down like she got ants in her pants in a dream. Yeah. I'm being serious, yes. Yes, I'm telling you. Moving, she dancing in her sleep. I'm like, what the hell going on with this girl?
Listen.
Yeah.
Hey, Richie tried. Me and our 2 kids. If you try to wake us up, in Jamaica we call it, we turn fool. Okay? That means, in American, translate, when you try to wake us up, we turn it into idiots.
Yeah.
Okay? Like we turn, like we don't have no sense.
Real bad.
Real bad. Right? So if you try to wake me up, a peer fought me, a chat, yo.
All of y'all.
All of us, all 3 of us.
Except me.
One time I woke up, Vincent, I was like, Vincent, do you take the trash out? And Vincent was like this. And I'm standing there like this. I said, Vincent, come on, I don't have time for the nonsense. Like, come on, wake up. And he's like, I'm up. I said, what are you looking for?
Grabbing.
I'm trying to grab it. I said, what are you trying to grab? And then he's like, what? And to me, worse.
Worse. I never knew he was a mind. People that go like this.
To me, worse.
She's the worst. Oh my god. But they got it from you?
I know. To me, be talking in her sleep, and she would get up and look at you and be like, I'm like, what? Mommy, mommy. You mommy. I'm like, what in the?
Yeah, when the word they're talking me, I don't sleep like that.
And I do the same thing to talk pure fart.
This one worse. Let me get a tissue, please.
Okay, my love.
Because you know when you sleeping, you don't know what going on. A big here, your chin. First there, like Some snores. Me, I don't sleep dead.
I don't snore.
I can't sleep dead. Any little thing, I'm awake.
But I wonder,
What?
couples out there, is it where one person sleeps dead and the other one sleeps light? Because I feel like it is.
Well,
Because we know a lot of people, a lot of couples that one might sleep dead and the other sleep light.
The women them sleep dead. The men have got to be awake all the time.
That's right. I was just gonna say that. But the problem is that Richie sleeps so light that it takes me a while because I toss and turn. I toss, I turn. I gotta get comfortable. Richie, he go in one spot and he lay in one spot and that's where he lays. He might move 2 times for the night. I'm moving 5,500 times.
Yeah, I don't move. Stay curled.
And it could be 3 in the morning. I will go, honey. He'd be like, yes.
I'm awake. I'm awake. I don't want to miss nothing. I want to see what's going on.
And I'm like, I thought you're sleeping. Cause
You done?
sleeping.
Hold on, wait. You finished eating already?
Yeah, man. I check.
What the hell? That's why you push all the food over my side?
Man, honestly, I'm talking to the family.
I know. You see what she did? She always do that. I didn't even know she finished because she didn't say, I'm done. I didn't hear she say she's full or she's done. You see that? You're not paying attention. She's always say she's full. See?
I'm full now.
I know you're full now after I name it off.
Like I pressured you.
You do. She pressured me because she was talking and then going like this.
What's the next one you have, honey? The next juice. You have a peach one? We try the
You
peach
want some
one.
of the ice? It's like sweet.
That's the same one?
I just drank the peach one. This is the sweet one. You want some of the ice? You see? You just say you want the juice. You never say you want ice. That's your problem. Because if you want the ice, I'll give you ice.
No, I don't like ice.
So why you say it's sweet then for it? When you want water. You see that?
I'm gonna drink water after, but the ice gonna prevent me from drinking the juice, man.
Yeah. That was good.
It was very good.
That's not even a word. You know it's good because look. All finito. Excuse me. That means sleepy burp.
You cute, you know?
It's cute sometimes. You say you're gonna make the dessert thing. Okay.
Yeah, I just gotta figure out when, because since Richie's doing overtime and I'm working, once we calm down a little bit and get to a little
Drink that.
schedule.
Drink.
Oh, a drink? Oh, hush.
My drink I gave you. I didn't give you the keep.
Once we get a little schedule, then we'll be able to. I'll get the ingredients so when I come from work, Richie comes from work, we can get it done for you guys.
Do that.
But we will be getting it done because I have some good recipes in my mind.
I love the dessert.
I hope it works out.
All right. First lady, you ready for this now? Transformation time. Pastor Rich in the building now.
Okay.
You ready for this one? Okay. Listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Let me talk to my peoples. Yo, I didn't. From the other day, I didn't ask for no offering, you know? See? So they're listening. They say, Richie didn't ask for no offering today. I'm on the pulpit now. All right. It's not about how much sleep you get. It's about what you do when you're awake. It's not about how much sleep you get. It's about what you do when you're awake. Okay. You know I'm not going to ask you. You know what to do. All right, family?
Yes.
We appreciate y'all, as always. Thank you for coming by, stopping by, and Shanice and Richie, a.k.a. First Lady TV show. Yeah, you like that one?
Yeah. You just want something to say.
Yeah, and then we shared. So, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And welcome to the family.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye!
Go over. Stop, honey.
Lie.
No.
Go on.
They don't like that. They keep it the same. You want them to get mad?
No, go on.
All right. Hey.
Bye. Yeah,